Whoa. Hello. What?
Cinder wants to go too.
Yeah.
Was that fun? You want to go with Mama?
Kyle, was that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I'll go too, Gaga.
Does she wants to go too?
Uh-huh.
Can she sit on your lap?
Can she sit on your lap?
Yeah.
You want to go with Cinder?
Uh-huh.
Does Cinder sit on here with you?
Yeah.
No!
Yeah, no.
Do you love the snow?
Yeah.
He said, I love the snow.
Yeah.
You want to go with Mama?
Yeah.
Yes, Cinder. You want to go with Mama?
See, Gaga, yeah?
Yeah. Can you give Cinder a kiss right here? Yeah, on her head or on her nose. Come here, Cin. Give Kyle a kiss. Give him a kiss. Okay, she wants to kiss you. Here you go. Kind of a weird mixture of forest up here.
Does she have some snow on her?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hi, Cin.
Here.